Hi guys, Katie from Yarn Society. We're going to learn the easiest magic circle ever. We're going to start with the slip knot. You're going to take the yarn and you can wrap it around 2 fingers. You're going to bring the yarn from the back to the front, and then you're going to pull that yarn straight up. You'll be able to move your yarn around by using the tail. Get set up however you like with your yarn. I like to wrap it around my pinky and lay it over my fingers. Here, I'm going to put my middle finger into the slip knot hole and then use my ring finger to hold down the tail. Place your hook underneath the yarn, grab the other yarn and pull it through, and then yarn over to make 1 chain. Now I'm going to make 6 single crochet into my magic circle. This is single crochet 1, 2, 3, and at this point you can let go. Everything will stay in place. That's 4, 5, and 6. You'll notice that sometimes your yarn is ready to come out on you. Just pull that yarn out and then tighten it up at the base. And that's it. That's your easiest magic circle. But I'll show you from here that if you're going to start round 2, I will count to show you your first stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that is your chain. So you're just going to skip over that, and then you will start your round 2 in that first stitch. If you guys like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and please give me a follow for more crochet tutorial and crochet alongs in the near future. If you're looking for some free patterns, head over to yarnsociety.com.